Hey there, this is Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. Today we're going to be talking about the Bernette B33 machine, which is a fantastic basic machine that doesn't have very many computerized functions and is really great if you are going to be a beginner sewer, have someone that you're teaching how to sew, or just get overwhelmed with the computerized stuff. So right here on the front of the machine, you can see that there's no overwhelming screen or anything like this or that on this guy. We do have a couple of decorative stitches that we can do. And then of course our stitch length knob, which can also switch down to those decorative stitches if you move it down to the S there. Otherwise, I normally keep my stitch length around 2.5-ish. We do have the reverse button here, which will make it easy to do back tacking or any of that reverse stitching you might need to do. And then over here, we have my stitch selection dial. So we've got the letters A through G showing us which one of these stitches we're doing, from a straight stitch, a zigzag, into some of the blind hem stitchings over at G, or we can also switch down to a buttonhole, which it is a 4-step buttonhole. We do have our tension here, which most of the time we don't mess with too much. And then our presser foot lift and lower is going to be right there. It does have a accessory arm, so that way you have free arm for if you're needing to hem pants or do sleeves or anything. And then one of the best things that they've added to this machine is it does have a needle threader. So the needle threader is great if you have a hard time threading the needle. I know I do, so I love that I can just tuck it around, go under here, pull back, and there it is. Now I'm ready to sew. There's my back stitch, and there we go. Then from there, I can pull it off, cut my thread on the side, and there's my stitch. Pull that tail out of there. And there we go. So it sews absolutely beautifully as well. The Bernette B33 is a great, simple machine that doesn't have any computerized functions and is fantastic for learning. Please feel free to come check it out at one of our 4 stores in Littleton, Arvada, Colorado Springs, or here in Aurora. We all would love to see your smiling face and help you test drive it.